Financial technology and retirement planning platforms have grown rapidly over recent years, leaving many consumers to puzzle over corporate ownership structures, brand associations, and institutional partnerships. When dealing with large financial institutions, confusion often arises regarding which brand owns or operates another, particularly when accounts, logins, or services seem to overlap. The short answer to whether Empower is part of Bank of America is clear and definitive. Empower is not part of Bank of America. They are completely separate, independent corporate entities operated by entirely different parent organizations, management teams, and financial holding structures. To understand why people sometimes associate the two or wonder if a connection exists, it helps to look at what Empower actually is and who owns it. Empower, formerly known as Empower Annuity Insurance Company of America, operates as the second-largest retirement plan provider in the United States. It handles corporate 401k plans, pensions, and individual investment accounts for millions of Americans. Rather than being tied to Bank of America, Empower is an indirect, wholly owned subsidiary of Great-West Lifeco Inc., which is a massive financial services holding company rooted in Canada and a member of the Power Financial Corporation group of companies. Bank of America, on the other hand, is one of the largest traditional American multinational banking and financial services corporations headquartered in Charlotte, North Carolina. Bank of America operates its own proprietary wealth management and brokerage arms, most notably Merrill Lynch and Bank of America Private Bank, alongside its massive consumer banking network. Bank of America has its own internal systems for managing retirement benefits, employee savings plans, and investment portfolios, which operate completely independently of Empower's infrastructure. Confusion regarding bank affiliations and Empower often stems from corporate acquisitions in the financial sector. Over the years, Empower has aggressively expanded its market share by buying up the retirement divisions and record-keeping services of several major traditional banks and financial institutions. For instance, Empower has absorbed the retirement plan businesses or record-keeping operations previously associated with companies like JPMorgan Chase, MassMutual, Fifth Third Bank, Truist, and Prudential Financial. Because these transactions often involve transferring large blocks of consumer retirement accounts from a bank-branded platform over to Empower's administration portal, customers frequently see changes to their login pages or statements. While Empower has acquired the retirement administration business lines of various corporate entities over its history, Bank of America was never one of those parent acquisitions. Another reason for potential overlap in a consumer's mind is the modern banking landscape itself, where individuals frequently hold accounts across multiple unrelated platforms. A person might maintain their checking and savings accounts with Bank of America while simultaneously having their employer-sponsored retirement account or an old 401k managed by Empower. Because modern financial dashboards often allow users to link external accounts for a holistic view of their net worth, seeing a Bank of America checking account and an Empower retirement portfolio side by side on a budgeting app or financial aggregator can blur the lines of ownership for the user. Ultimately, keeping these corporate entities straight comes down to recognizing that the financial sector is made up of distinct corporate competitors that occasionally partner on software integrations or data aggregation, but remain entirely separate businesses. Empower answers to Great-West Lifeco and its own corporate leadership structure, while Bank of America operates as an independent banking giant with its own distinct infrastructure. Checking your monthly statements, reviewing the corporate disclosures at the bottom of official account documents, or looking at the institution listed as the direct custodian of your funds will always clarify which independent corporate giant is holding your money.